Hello guys. So in this video today we are discussing about titanus battra, and in this video we are covering about all batra's details, powers, abilities, origin and special features. So make sure like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on notification so you don't miss any update. So guys, let's get start this video. Now let's talk about Batra's origin. Basically, the Batras was originated by same mothra origin. Batra was a butterfly-shaped titan, and it was a early creature like Godzilla. He can consume nuclear waste and convert it to a titan. Mothra like Batra was immortal, but Mothra's and Batra's nature was very different because the Mothra was protector of nature and its connection of nature beings like humans. But Batra was different. He can save nature, but if they caused harm nature, he can destroy it like humans to destroy. And this reason, Mothra and Batras get fight with each other, and Godzilla stopped the fight and destroyed the Batra. Now let's talk about Batra's powers and abilities. Batras has Krypton beam. This beam was very powerful, get destroy Godzilla's skin and destroy Mothra. They can produce by horn and eyes. Batra can create Mothra-like webs, and its skin was very great electric shocks and energy charges to paralyze their enemy. He gave energy to other titans from wings and gave life form. If he died, he can get rebirth and fight then, like Mothra. He was the great lava form. Batra can fly high speed than Mothra and fast and agile. Batra can burrow and dig big holes to grab their enemies. And that reason Batra was very powerful than Mothra. So guys, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe my channel and turn on bell notification so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys.